Welcome to the Little Guest House, the German sausage maker. Today I want you to see how long a good made product is staying good. I got here a jar of liverwurst I made about 2 years ago. I'm going to open it. The jar I'm gonna open with the liverwurst. You see the lid is still bent to the inside, so that means it is good sealed. There's the fatty part, which is on top. That's fat is lighter and goes to the top. Remove that, or we're gonna remove it. Looks good. I got a nice piece of bread going with it, and some pumpernickel bread I'm putting on top of it. That's what I like. Smelling good. I'm gonna try it. Keep in mind, it's 2 years old. Tastes a little bit dry, but fodder is it's okay. They have a little butter underneath there to make it a little smoother. 2-year-old liverwurst, homemade. Give it a try. I'm sure it doesn't last that long. You will eat it before. Thanks for watching. See you later in the next Little Guest House, the German sausage maker. And so far, bye-bye. Man, look what I found. Goes perfect together with the liverwurst. A nice ice cold beer. You can, but you don't have to. And remember always, don't drink and drive. Prost.